So hello and welcome to another Power Week. Yes, the Power BI team has released a new Power BI Desktop version, and this time is the 2018 November update, okay? So what I'm going to cover in this video is a functionality that they released called expand and collapse rows on a matrix, and it does basically that. But let me show you, because this is one of the most requested features ever, basically. So if we go into Power BI, you can see this is the Northwind dataset, and this is just a normal report. But I have here a matrix visualization. You can see it here, that is matrix. And as you can see, I have two levels. I have a product name and a category name. So the product name is up here, and then you can drill down either with these buttons or with those buttons, drill up, drill down. You can do all kinds of stuff. And this functionality has been available for a long time, but what people wanted was the actual Excel experience of, let me show you. If you click on the matrix visualization and you go to the formatting pane and then row headers, if you scroll down, you will see here plus minus icon. And this is what is being requested for so long. So you can see here now that it behaves like a pivot table. So you have the plus sign on it. So there's basically no difference other than that. And the fact that now is easy to see, because if I remove my cursor, you can actually see that this has a drop down values that are hierarchies. Well, before you couldn't see that. You had to actually hover over to see there was these arrows to know that there was a drill down or not. So I think this is great. It doesn't solve it for the rest of the visualizations. You still have to, click on them to see if there is a drill up or down. But hey, that is a great improvement. Well done, Power BI team. So hello there. Do you know that I publish Power BI videos every Monday, Wednesday and Fridays? So make sure you hit the subscriber button and the bell to receive notifications every time I do that.